Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in Grand Theft Auto Online. Selling vehicles is a straightforward way to earn some quick cash. First, understand that you can only sell personal vehicles you own or stolen cars with a base value of less than $50,000. Also, there is a cool-down period. You must wait 48 minutes of real-world time between each vehicle sale. This ensures fair play and prevents rapid exploitation of the system. Once you have an eligible vehicle, the next step is to find a Los Santos Customs shop. These are marked by a distinctive spray icon on your in-game map. Simply drive your car into the garage. A menu will appear, offering various customization and repair options. Scroll down and select the Sell option. Confirm your choice, and the transaction will be completed, instantly adding cash to your in-game bank account. It is important to understand the limitations when selling vehicles. You cannot sell high-end or premium stolen cars at Los Santos Customs. These are usually too hot. For eligible vehicles, the sale price is generally 10% of the car's base value. Any modifications or upgrades you apply to a stolen vehicle will not increase its selling price, so save your money on those. Focus on selling lower-value stolen cars or your own personal vehicles. While selling cars at Los Santos Customs is a quick way to earn, there are more profitable methods. Selling vehicles you legally own, rather than stolen ones, often yields better and more consistent returns. For significantly larger sums of money, focus on completing missions, heists, and other in-game activities. If you are serious about vehicle-based income, consider investing in a vehicle warehouse. This allows you to source and export high-value cars for much greater profits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.